Hello, design enthusiasts! Welcome to Interior Decor Designs, your ultimate destination for innovative and inspiring home decor ideas. Before we start, want to ask your support to make this channel grow. With subscribe to this channel, leave, comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family today. We are diving into one of the most enduring and captivating aesthetics in the world of home renovation: industrial bathroom design. At its core, industrial design is an architectural style that takes inspiration from old factories, warehouses, and industrial spaces that have been converted into living quarters. It is a celebration of unfinished looks, focusing on raw, honest materials and the beauty of structural elements that most styles try to hide. In an industrial bathroom, you won't find frilly curtains or delicate patterns. Instead, you'll see a harmonious blend of hard and soft thin cold concrete paired with warm wood or sleek black metal contrasted against white subway tiles. It's a style that prioritizes utility and durability while maintaining a sophisticated, urban edge. Choosing an industrial theme for your bathroom offers more than just a trendy look. It provides incredible practical benefits that make daily life easier. One of the primary advantages is the sheer durability of the materials used, because this style relies on heavy-duty components like stainless steel, iron, stone, and sealed concrete. Your bathroom becomes incredibly resistant to the wear and tear typically caused by moisture and heat. Furthermore, industrial design is surprisingly cost-effective for DIY enthusiasts. Since imperfection is part of the charm, you don't have to worry about every corner being perfectly polished. In fact, repurposed items and exposed elements can save you a fortune on expensive cabinetry or finishing work. Lastly, this style is exceptionally easy to clean and maintain. Its minimalist nature means less clutter, and the rugged surfaces are often more forgiving of water spots and fingerprints than high-gloss modern finishes. 2. Make an industrial bathroom look truly high-end rather than just under construction. You must master the art of layering textures. Start with your walls and floors. Using large format concrete tiles or even a waterproof micro-cement finish creates a seamless, moody foundation. To prevent this space from feeling too cold or sterile, introduce reclaimed wood through a floating vanity or open shelving. Adds a necessary organic warmth. For the jewelry of the room, opt for matte black or brushed copper fixtures. If you have exposed pipes, don't hide them, paint them in a contrasting dark tone to make them a focal point. Lighting is also crucial. Use Edison-style bulbs with warm filaments to create a cozy amber glow that softens the hard edges of the metal and stone. Finally, add a touch of greenery, such as a snake plant or a hanging pothos, to breathe life into the monochromatic palette and create a balanced, lived-in feel. If you're looking to shop for this look, certain hero items will instantly define the space. First on the list is a black framed glass shower enclosure, often referred to as cradle-style doors. These provide a stunning graphic element that screams industrial loft. Next, consider a vessel sink made of hammered copper or carved stone sitting atop a heavy wooden slab. For lighting, go for gooseneck wall sconces or a pulley system pendant light to reinforce the mechanical aesthetic. Metal storage solutions, such as wire baskets or repurposed steel lockers, are perfect for holding towels and toiletries while staying on theme. Don't forget the mirror. Large circular mirror with a thick iron frame or a rectangular factory window-style mirror can make the room feel much larger. Lastly, look for hardware like drawer pulls and towel bars made from actual plumbing pipes and fittings to add that authentic, handcrafted touch to your cabinetry. Creating an industrial bathroom, it's all about embracing the raw beauty of your home structure and finding elegance in the unexpected. It's a design choice that stands the test of time, offering a perfect blend of masculine strength and modern sophistication. Whether you are doing a full renovation or just swapping out a few fixtures, the industrial look allows you to be creative, resourceful, and bold. We hope these tips have inspired you to look at your bathroom through a new, more adventurous lens. Remember, the goal isn't perfection, it's character. If you enjoyed this deep dive into industrial design, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Interior Decor Designs for more home inspiration. We upload new content every week to help you turn your house into a masterpiece. Which industrial element was your favorite? The exposed pipes or